Hey, what's up YouTube? Today we're going to be replacing the engine air filter on your John Deere X350 lawn tractor. Alright, this is pretty straightforward, so let's get started. Pop open your hood and locate the air filter cover. We're going to want to turn these two knobs 90 degrees counterclockwise, and then we can remove that air filter cover. You'll see that there's a foam cover around this air filter. That came stock from the factory. We'll remove it, clean it, and place it on our new air filter before reinstalling. Loosen this hose clamp with a flathead screwdriver. Once loosened, you can remove this entire piece. Now that we have better leverage, we can loosen this hose clamp in order to separate the air filter from the rubber hose. Now we can remove this foam cover. Here's how I cleaned that foam piece. Now you can just take it and recover your new air filter, like this. Then you can grab that rubber hose and attach that back. Tighten down that clamp, and now you can reinstall that whole unit back to the engine by tightening down this hose clamp. Reinstall your air filter cover and start your engine back up and check to make sure everything sounds good. And that's it. I hope this video helped you out, and thanks for watching.